A game entails tossing two fair dice. If the sum is odd, the prize is $2. If the sum is divisible by 3, the prize is $3. If the sum is odd and is divisible by 3, the prize is $12. Determine the cost of playing the game to ensure it is fair. Okay, so first we'll just write the number of possibilities that can happen here. So on our first die we can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And the same for the second die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And if we toss a 1 and a 1, we'll have a sum of 2. If we toss a 3 and a 5, we'd have a sum of an 8. So I'm just going to speed up time by filling in the rest. Okay, so here's the whole table filled in. And now it's easy to see what it looks like. There's 36 possible combinations. And let's just get back to the question. So it says, if the sum is if the sum is odd, the prize is $2. So let's see how many odd choices there are here. And we'll start with this yellow highlighter. So those are odd, those are odd, those are odd, and that's all of them. So if you were to count that up, you'd see there's 18 there, 18 out of 36. And the next part says if the sum is divisible by 3, the prize is $3. So let's highlight that in purple. Okay, and that turned red because it's overlapping the purple and yellow. But you can see here that it indeed is purple. Okay, and 9 and 12. So because that, the overlap changed into red, it's easy to see that those are the ones that are the sum is odd and it's divisible by 3. Okay, so continuing on here, what we can do is write this all down just to sum that up. So what's happening here? So in odd, we had 18 out of 36, divisible by 3. I'll just write that for short form. We had 12 out of 36, and for both, and that's currently in the red, we have 6 out of 36. Okay. Now the thing is, what you have to be careful of is if you roll a 9. Okay, let's say we rolled a 9. Does that mean you get $2, $3, or 12? Well, you get $12 because it's odd and it's divisible by 3. So you have to make sure you don't double count the options here when you're determining the expectation. So if you roll a 9, it cannot go into here. That means that we really have 12 options here. And how did I get 12? Well, that's 18 odd ones minus 6 because that's the overlap. You get divisible by 3. We have 6 options here. And that's 12 minus 6. And here, well, we have 6 options as well. So if we add this all up, 12, 6, and 6, that's 18, 24 in total. Okay, we can just check that we should have 24 highlighted ones. And maybe we can count backwards to make sure we have 36. So we should have 12 that are not highlighted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which matches up. So to see this another way, let's use this Venn diagram. So if it's odd, we have 18 choices in all, and if it is divisible by 3, okay, we have 12. But we have 6 that go into both, so that 6 goes here. Then we can easily determine what remains in this part of the circle. It's 18 minus 6, which is 12, and over here 12 minus 6, which is 6. Okay, and although it's not necessary, we can also write that there's 12 left over. Okay, so once again, this is another visual to represent what's happening up here. So to determine the cost of playing the game to ensure it is fair, well, there's 12 options of having an odd number, and only an odd number, and not one of these. Okay, so sorry, let me rephrase that. 12 options of having an odd number that is not divisible by 3, and we get $2 for that. Okay, and this is a probability of 12 out of 36, and then plus, well, there's 6 options where you're going to be in between, and you're going to get $12. Okay, so this is odd and divisible by 3, and then 6 out of 36 options to get this as well, and the prize there is $3. Okay, so 12 out of 36, that's the probability of tossing just an odd once again, and here's the prize money you would get for that. So similarly, just doing all that, we should get our answer. Okay, so let's do some mental math. It's 24 over 36, and this is 12 times 6, 72 over 36, plus 6 times 3, 18 over 36, and just scroll there. Let's see what we get here. So 24 over 36 is really just 2 over 3. Okay, 12 goes into the numerator and denominator, and plus 70 over 36 is 2, and 18 over 36 is 1/2. Okay, so working that out, this is really like 67 cents. Well, 66.6 repeating, but let's just use 67 cents. Okay, plus $2 plus 50 cents. Okay, and that would give us $3.17 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, maybe you can just use the calculator there to double check that yourself, but I think it's good. So that's that.